Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Vivek Navik. So after a long time, I'm just creating another video. So today's video would be developing a Power App from scratch. So let's say if you are a beginner, how would you develop a beginner level Power Apps? Is the video all about? So without wasting much time, let's start. so So if you see, I have a SharePoint site here and I have created a general list that is called audit list. So let me show you the complete structure of it. So if I go as a new item, you can see like whatever audit you are performing, you can enter it in audit name and what is the audit outcome. So this is a multi-line of text where you can enter multi-line of text with your audit outcome, then who is the audit owner, then on which date the audit was performed, then what is the audit area. And apart from that, let's say you have a place where you can attach something. So this is my the structure of my list, the database, I would say. So let's say quickly, I mean, we would go ahead and quickly create a Power App where it will be a new form where you will enter the data and the things will get saved automatically over here. So let's get started. So I'll just open. I'm sorry, it should be Power Apps. So I'll just open Power Apps. I'll click on Apps and let's create a Canvas app and I will name it as audit app, and I'll just create it as a tabulate audit app. So let me click on create. So the things are getting ready. So yeah, so we are on the screen. So as you have seen, so as soon as you have selected Canvas app, and and this is the development screen what you see. So this is your app and this is your screen one which gets added by default. So if I go to insert, and from insert, if you click on forms, so basically you see two things, edit and display forms, what you can add on this screen. So basically we will add a edit screen and later we will convert it to the new screen. So new form. So if I click on edit, so if you see the screen has been added and this screen expects a data source, like whatever you do a entry, it should save somewhere. So currently we don't have a data source over here if you see. So in fact, let's add the data source. So if you see at the left side, you see something, a cylindrical icon where it says data. So if I click on this and go for SharePoint and give a search, it says no match. Let me check again. Yeah. So it is SharePoint and the connection would be with whatever account I have logged in. So if I click here, so it will populate you the list of sites whatever you have access. So this is our site where I have created the list. So if you see now all the lists gets populated from that site and our list is audit list. So let me quickly connect to this. Okay. Now the audit list has been uh, has been added. So now I'll just on the screen, I'll just click onto the screen what I have added. Once I click the right side, if you see the data source appears again, and if you click here, you can see the audit list whatever we have added is appearing in your app. So once I click it, automatically the screen gets reloaded, refreshed, and if you see my complete structure of the list whatever I have created got loaded over here. So let me quickly put it on my screen. Now Now I would need input, and from input, I'm sorry, I'm looking for a label, so this is my label. So I'll just enlarge it. There's nothing but to make my top header. So in the text, I will just write like audit, and I'll place it in the center. I'll make it bold. Let me increase the font size of it, and let me make quickly the color to be white and the background to be blue. There it goes. Now, what else we need? We need a button which submits our form. Like whatever we do entry, it should submit our form. So I'll click on button and I'll add a button. Add it here, and I'll just name this submit. Now, now guys, if you see at the left side the tree view, if you click on the tree view, you can see the complete thing whatever is added on your screen. So this is your app, this is your screen one, and inside screen one, if you see the button, the label, the form. Okay. Now, let's say once we submit, we want to redirect the complete form to another screen, success screen, once the things get saved inside the list. Fine. So for that, if you click on new screen and if you see something called success, so there it goes. We have the success screen in the screen too. So let me quickly copy the top banner and save it over here, and quickly I'll change the message. This was successfully submitted. There it goes. Now coming to screen one, anytime you can just click on the play button and check how it's previewing. So it says no item to display. So the thing what we forgot to do was, so just click on the form. This is your form. At the left side, if you click on the form, the whole form gets selected. And the default mode, what we need is a new form, not the edit form. So change it from here. So once you change it and play it, you see, yeah, you can see the things are appearing over here. Now what else? Now the next thing would be, let's say I want to rearrange these things, like the way it's appearing. Guys, so basically, just to rearrange this, if you see here, so what I want, audit name is at the first position. So ensure to unlock each and every field if it says it's locked. So audit name, if you see and you go to advanced, if you see x-axis is 0 and y-axis is 0. Now let's say next thing what I would like to have is audit owner next to audit name. So just simply, y would be still 0, make x as 1. So for this x would be 1 and y would be 0. And similar way, this x would be 2 and y would be 0. So now if you see, I'm able to make audit name and audit owner and audit outcome as per my need. So it is at 0 0, it is at 1 0, and it is at 2 0. So remaining thing, let's say audit date and audit area. This is fine. So I'll just reduce the attachment field a little bit. I think so. Let me unlock this first. Okay, fine. I think so. I'm not able to reduce it further. I have to reduce it from here. So let me make it as 280. Fine. So basically, if you see, uh, my fields are arranged as per my need. And now if I play this is how it appears. The form, this is how it appears. Now, now let me quickly write a formula to submit whatever I entered. So if you click on submit, it's as simple as possible. So if you see on selection of this button, there is an event called on select. So there are many things on hover, hover fill. You can apply different css on padding left, padding right. So basically I want it to submit the complete details into the list on select of this, that is on press of this. So if I click, currently it's false, which is happening nothing. So now let me write the formula, that is something called submit. Automatically it populates at the bottom. If you see, I click on submit form. Now which form do we need to submit? We need to submit the form 1. So just type here form 1 comes over here, and that's all. That's all. A single line that is called submit form 1. That's all will do your need. Automatically, whatever you fill, automatically, it takes the data and pushes into the list. Now, as soon as it pushes into the list, that is, it creates item into the list. We need to navigate from this form to the other screen what we have created. That is nothing but screen 2. So here it comes, screen 2, and so now guys, the app is ready. Now if I play this just to test this, currently if I go to list and refresh this, I do not have anything. Let me enter the data. So audit name is, let's say, school audit. Audit owner is audit outcome is pass. Audit performed is today's date. Audit area would be education. Let me quickly attach a file as well. So it's just a image. Yeah, I'm done with entering the data on my form. Let me submit it. So if you see at the top, the form has started executing and this was successfully submitted. So as soon as it would have submitted the data, I am navigated to this screen. So now let me go back to screen and check. You can see the item got created. The complete item got created from the form. So now just to have the app, we can, file, save this app. Once you save it, you can click on share button, and whoever is need of this app, you can just enter their email ID and share it with them. And once you share, they would receive an email. And in case you want to separately have the app URL, you can save it. So this is the app URL where you will get. If you just simply paste it on the browser, it will be redirected to that app. Same thing, you can deploy it on your SharePoint page as well. Probably you can see my other videos where I have done that, how to do so or how to achieve that. So guys, yeah, and just to learn, I would recommend you like just quickly create a test tenant, or if you have a SharePoint tenant available, go ahead and create this simple Power App, Canvas app, tablet app. So this would be your very first step to step into learning of Power Apps. So that's all about the video today. And to support me, just do subscribe this channel and do like the videos whatever I'm uploading. Thank you so much. I appreciate for your support. I would end the video now. Thank you so much.